Oh. Shoot. Alright, Hey, what's up everyone? It's Ceremony456 here today, bringing you guys another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own Stampy Cat avatar in Sonic Forces. Right in the middle. There we go. Now what you need to do is go to new avatar, mail. Okay, I'm not just doing Stampy, I'm doing Stampy and Leeeeee. Don't forget about that. So I'm going to start with Stampy first. So, as we know, Stampy is a cat. That's good. Okay, that's good eye shape. There we go. And Stampy's yellow. Stampy cat is yellow. There we go. That's not like, oh, like Stampy. Alright, there we go. Now, let's, alright, now with Leeeeee. Now, Leeeeee is a little bit difficult. I'm gonna go with this style Leeeeee. Now, you can do every eye type you want, but I'm just going to go with these versions of eye type because it's much easier to see. I'm not sure what color Leeeee's eyes are, so... And brown, and... There we go, got brown. There we go. Alright. There we go. That wraps up for today's tutorial video. And oh yeah, oh no. Okay, my bad. Oh yeah, we had to put the accessories on Stampy. You're gonna go to fitting room, footwear. Just look for Stampy style boots. The closest I can find are these. So. That's pretty much the closest I can find for Stampy style boots, so yeah. So yeah, you got Stampy style boots. That's pretty much what you do Stampy. Now, Leeeeee. Alright, so now with Leeeeee. You don't have to put any accessories on Leeeeee, so, which, oh yeah, Leeeeee has her feet. You can put any shoes on Leeeeee, so, you don't have to put any shoes on Leeeeee at all, so I'm just gonna go, what? Okay, just gonna put these shoes on for now, so I can find, if I can get, Leeeee's shoes. I'm not sure Leeeeee has shoes on his Minecraft skin, but anyway, that pretty much wraps up for the video, and hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys next time. Peace out.